Oh no! All my tax reports are gone. Being inside is unhealthy. I need to get some fresh air.
Does this happen to you?
No! Oh no! Oh, my internet's! What am I gonna do now? Come on, please work.
It's okay. At Turbo PC Fixers Plus, we have you covered. So, a turbo computer and other electronic devices and stuff.
Welcome to Super Ultra Laptop Fixers Pro. How can I help you?
My computer fell. Can you fix it?
Sure thing. Sweet!
Here at the Turbo PC Ultimate Pro Plus, we have all of our Microsoft Windows Vista certified technicians working hard all day long.
That's gonna be a low price of call for an estimate.
At Computer Solver Pro, we have premium prices.
Hello? Is PC Repair Ultimate Plus? Yeah, I need a computer fixed. How much will that be?
That will be $9.99 even.
Sweet! Thanks, Super Electronics Fixers Pro!
Oh man, I hate my friends so much they have a better computer than mine. How can I get a better one?
PC Turbo Builders Extreme Plus!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! A turbo computer!
At Turbo Electricity Problems Destroys Extreme, not only do we fix computers, but we also fix video games, TVs, phones, tablets, and more. Plus, we build your computer for you. Turbo PC Repair Plus, the best computer repair service in the USA. Call us at 555-123-4567 or go to our website at www.turbopcrepair.com. We are not responsible for data loss, fires, overpricing, maxing out your credit card, ending the world, or aliens.